Some places I recommend to see include Shizhou Ancient Town. This town has over 1,000 years of history. You can enjoy and experience the Bai ethnic people's traditional architecture and houses. There is also plenty of street food to enjoy. My next recommendation is Zhuchang Village. This village is called the Land for National Tie-Dye. Visit one of the family's workshops to learn how to make tie-dye cloth and learn their traditional techniques. Along the way is the famous Erhai Park. This park is the best place to view the lake and the Changshan Mountain in one beautiful scene. You should also visit Shonglang Town. This is the most scenic town around Erhai Lake, and it offers over 1,000 years of the Bai ethnic people's culture. In this town, you can enjoy their slow tempo of life and peaceful surroundings around their beautiful architecture.